Namaskar and greetings. Welcome back to our channel. I just had the most incredible time exploring this vibrant city, Cologne, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Outside Central Train Station, wow, it is the magnificent Cologne Cathedral. This enormous Gothic masterpiece is simply breathtaking. It felt like stepping back in time. Cologne's history isn't all sunshine and rainbows. During World War II, the city suffered devastating bomb raids, leaving much of it in ruins. This city's spirit, however, couldn't be broken. The people came together, brick by brick, to rebuild their beloved city. Today, Cologne stands tall as a testament to human perseverance and the power of community. Cologne Cathedral is the heart and soul of Cologne. It is the largest cathedral in Germany and one of the awe-inspiring religious structures in Europe. Construction begins in the 13th century and took over 600 years to complete. These tiny fancy carvings show how amazing the builders were back in the Middle Ages. Inside the cathedral, sunlight streams through the stained glass windows. The ceilings and sculptures create a sense of awe and wonder. Next, I strolled across the iconic Hohenzollern Bridge, also known as the Lovelock Bridge. This iconic bridge stretches across the sparkling Rhine River, connecting the city's old and new districts. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering stunning views of the city skyline and the river below. Thousands of colorful padlocks adorn its railings, a symbol of love and commitment. Cologne isn't just about history and romance. My next stop was the bustling central market, a feast for the senses. If you are looking for a vibrant and exciting city break, I highly recommend adding Cologne to your list. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining me on this quick trip to Cologne. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to channel for more adventures, and let me know in the comment section below if you ever been to Cologne. See you next time. Namaskar.